Okay, then let's go through the RPC components and how they work briefly. So in this chapter, we explore each part of the RPC framework. Don't worry about that if you don't understand. This is just a summary of all the components we are going to use, and all these components are written by ourselves later on in this course. So each of these components is the core components in your RPC framework, right? So we have RPC client. RPC client is a Netty instance. So every service, if you want to have the RPC, if you turn on your RPC framework in any microservice, when it starts, when the application is started and it's running up, one RPC client instance will be created and started. And of course, we have RPC request and RPC response. You can consider them as the HTTP request and HTTP response. That's the message itself, all right? So because you communication between servers must involve a message. A message is sent between these services, right? So the message can be a request or response. And Netty client is just the RPC client. You can put their equivalent, okay? The equivalent. So Netty server is the registry center. Like I said that in the diagram we've drawn, the Netty server can receive all the connections from the clients, and it maintains a map that stores all the information from each clients. And encoder and decoder, that's the one that provides the encoding and decoding function to convert the message into byte array or convert the byte array back into Java object. Transport layer, so it's just connection management and heartbeat reconnection, these kind of things, and we are going to do that later on. And future map, it's something that deals with the asynchronous call, and we use it in our project as well. And I will demonstrate it to you when we are writing the coding the RPC client. And heartbeat handler, so all the clients must have a heartbeat handler to make sure the connection is active and alive. All right, so once the connection is lost or is dead, we need to do something. We need to clear the system, and we need to remove that connection or channel out of the registry server. All right, so this is the key components that we are going to write in our project. And okay, so let's start from the Netty server.